Let's draw a sea animal that starts with the alphabet letter G today. First, let's sketch a curved line for its fin. It looks just like a butterfly wing. Can you guess what this amazing creature is? Here's a hint. It starts with the letter G, and it shines like golden coins in the sea. Now, let's add some wavy lines across the body. These are called scales. Keep your hands steady. It's like drawing a gentle wave. Look, it's shaping up to be a fish. Next, let's create a giant tail and draw a line in the middle for detail. Nice. Let's start writing out the word. G O L D. Yes, gold. You're right. It's a goldfish. The name combines two words, gold and fish. Do you know why goldfish have gold in their name? Well, you're about to find out. Now, let's draw a big capital G. And a little lowercase g. Great job. Now let's pick this honey mustard color and start coloring. Let's fill in these letters. Nice. Now remember to color in the outer part of the fins and the tail. Now let's use this darker orange color. I call it pumpkin color. Color in the rest of the fins. Make sure not to color over the outlines. It's looking fancy, isn't it? Oh, he's so cute! Now, let's color in the body with this tangerine color. Goldfish have scales that sparkle in the sunlight and shimmer like gold. Isn't that amazing? Lastly, let's fill in the word goldfish in black. Look at that! It looks like it's ready to swim in your dreams with a swish! Thanks for coloring with us today. See you next time for more fun, fishy adventures.